With more sunshine today, temperatures were a little colder thanks to our front that moved through late yesterday. 53 degrees was our high at Kenner, a full 10 degrees below average. High temperatures are going to stay below average until probably Sunday and definitely by Monday. So a warming trend is on the horizon, just not for the rest of this week. Morning low at Kenner was 41. We had 30s though on the North Shore, nobody freezing with the exception of Macomb. We talked about the fact that it looked like the freezing line would be about as far south as the Mississippi-Louisiana line. That freezing line is going to be a whole lot farther south and also west overnight, as temperatures will be dropping to below freezing North Shore and around the river parishes, also out to our east in southern Mississippi. Right now we've had kind of this mid-level cloud deck across most of the area during the day. Plenty of sunshine though. 53 degrees was a prettier afternoon. 29-degree dew point, so very dry air, winds out of the north at 8 miles an hour. We are in the low, some mid-50s outside at the moment, but with that low humid air, rather light winds and clear skies, temperatures are going to bottom out. So it was chilly as we started the morning this morning, and then we started to rebound. We're getting even colder overnight tonight. Behind that front, we did see the winds pick up a little bit, a light breeze during the afternoon. They will be settling though through the overnight and for tomorrow. We still saw a lot of sunshine, even though periods of a little more cloudiness around. This is going to be a pattern that continues over the next couple of days, with an increase in clouds tomorrow and then mostly cloudy skies on Friday. And that winter chill will last through the week and into Saturday, because on Friday we're going to get a second cold front to move on through. Then we're back into the 60s. I say next week, but really as soon as Sunday we'll be back to at least near normal, but also with that warm up, a chance for rain will also return probably by about Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. This is a little upper feature out to our west we're watching, not really doing much for our forecast. It's going to continue to move toward the east, but it is embedded within this westerly flow. That's helping to bring in some, actually the clouds that we see over us are coming in from the Pacific Ocean. That's the upper pattern at the moment. And then at the surface, some very cold air, the little upper disturbance bringing in some snow across parts of Oklahoma and North Texas, but that's just going to continue moving toward the east, so not influencing our weather. The core of the cold is kind of retreating back up toward the Great Lakes, but there is a sign that we're going to see another surge of cold air move our way thanks to another front. This will bring in kind of a brief period of a fairly cold day on Saturday. Morning lows in the 20s, 30s with afternoon highs only in the 50s, but a quick rebound in temperatures as this cold air mass retreats back up toward the northeast. We will begin a warming trend, but that too may be short-lived, as a lot of the models are indicating by about midweek next week we may see another cold front move on through. So the outlook as we head into the early part of next week is for several days of warmer temperatures, but we also may see another cool down. Overnight tonight, again, we're expecting a light freeze. So this is not pipe type weather, North Shore and areas west, but certainly both sides of the lake, even though we're not expecting a freeze in the metro area. People, pets, and plants always when those temperatures start to drop. But at least we will see, for those that may not like the cold, we are going to see temperatures getting back into the 60s and maybe briefly into the low 70s before probably another front late next week. And that kind of is coinciding with our temperature outlook we've been talking about as we get into early February. So starting early next week, we would likely see temperatures begin to stay above normal. But then that may be kind of counteracted by the fact that after we get toward Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures will begin coming down. So on the average, when you average all of those days, it looks like we'll be probably right near normal for our temperatures. Few days above and then several days below as we continue through next week. So mostly sunny skies today. We had a few passing clouds. Likely see a little more cloudiness picking up during the day tomorrow. And then we'll stay under mostly cloudy skies on Friday, associated with an upper disturbance. And then the cold front sweeps on through Saturday. A lot of sun, but we are going to stay very cold. Mostly clear and cold tonight. Light freeze north and west. Temperatures in the metro area will be in the upper 30s tomorrow during the day. Partly sunny skies. Again, a little more cloudiness and a high of only 57. So we stay on the chilly side. Kind of a cold couple of days Friday, Saturday. It doesn't look like Saturday morning we'll see a hard freeze, but could come close on the North Shore. Doesn't look like pipes would really be an issue. If we did drop down into the mid-20 range, it probably wouldn't stay there for very long. Light freeze on the North Shore Sunday, but we're back into the low 60s and then mid to upper 60s with a chance for rain returning by the middle of next week.